if I have a chance, I'll run out and make one. All right, so looking back up there, I see 10.58, 6.9, ooh, 5.52. So we just barely made the main valve, but we did. You see the expected value, one was really close. For, was it red and brown or 5.52? So it was close, but we checked it off. All right. So it's ready, we're ready to do the test. It passed. So we're going to test these hypotheses, and we're going to look up the chi-squared value on our chart C. What will be our degrees of freedom? Remember, it's the number of categories minus 1. So there's 6 different colors, so 6 minus 1. And go ahead and switch over to chart C and C. Chart C.
It's all under the G. I said the chi-square statistic that you agree, or are you just doing the special, or is this under one?
What is your question?
What are we?
We're just doing the test. It said confirm the expected counts are large enough. We did that. Sketch a graph. We're not doing that. Use table C to find the p-value. That's where we are. So we're looking it up with degrees of freedom 5, and the chi-square statistic is 11.37. So look it up. Do you have your book? All right. Find that chart C and tell me what numbers. It's going to be in between 2 numbers, like it was on chart B when we were doing that. We were doing a T statistic. It's similar. $11.37. So what's in between? Got it, Julia?
Yeah.
What is it?
0.025 to.
All right. Confirm that, everyone? Do you see
Billy
that,
said
Elena?
Billy
Pardon?
said that one.
Oh, she said the same thing.
Billy did.
All right, Elena, did yours? Are you checking it out on chart C?
Yeah.
You see where those numbers came from? You go across on DF of 5 until you find this number. It'll be between 2. All right, so if we're doing alpha of 0.05, Bailey, is this a fail to reject or reject? All right, because it's lower than 0.05. We will reject the null hypothesis and assume that at least one of the above is wrong. At least one color proportion is off.
So. Just one bag of M&Ms.
Yeah, one bag.
One bag can prove that the whole company's saying that.
Well, our sample proved that at least one of them is off, according to our sample. All right, let's try this on your lonesome. So here's a chi-square graph. And this one, 11, probably took us down to about right there. And it was pretty rare, something like that. We'll show you, let me show you how to do it on your calculator. Let's see, before we do one by ourselves. You have your calculators with you? All right, pull it out. And we're going to try to get the same answer on the calculator by going to second bars, distribution. So you see second bars distribution, and we're going to go to chi-squared CDF, continuous distribution function, CDF.
Ah, you figured it out.
I heard it on a video, actually.
What does PDF stand for?
They never mentioned that one. Something,
Oh,
distribution function, point, to maybe like Allie proposed percentage, probability, I don't know. All right,
Did we
so,
just do that?
when you get to that command, it'll ask you for three things. Some of your calculators will actually ask you for the things. Some of you will just give you a parenthesis.
Numbers.
And if you do that, you want the lowest value. It's looking for an area under a curve. So what's the low value, the high value, and the degrees of freedom. So looking at the little sketch here, our chi-squared statistic, 11.37, is the low value because we want the area from there out. So we need a large number. Let's put in 1,000 and see if it takes it. Wouldn't that be fun? 11.37, 1,000, probably give you some dimension error. And DF is 5. All right, so what's going to come out when you put all that in? I peek out under someone's. I don't know if 1,000 will work. I think we used, is that in our interval? It is, very good. All right, 1,000 worked. Comma, 1,000, comma, 5. Enter. Yep. 0.04 is between 0.025 and 0.05. All right. Should be good. All right.
Oh, you did something.
No, it's not much difference when you get down. Probably 10 isn't going to work because it's on the wrong side. See, so we have to go at least greater than 11. So
What
maybe,
does the A stand for?
what is what?
A.
That's a 9. That's
Oh.
the mode. That's the highest point.
What's
It's a 9. Alright.
I put 50 instead.
Yeah, it's just going to be a high value somewhere out here. It's going to be getting so small, it doesn't matter if you put 100 or 1,000, it'll be about the same. All right, instead of homework, let's do this one right now. I want you to repeat what we did with the peanut M&Ms with when were you born? So it's on the next page. So read it to yourselves, and you're going to start a test, just like I did on the board, starting with real. You want to start with real. Okay? All right, Allie girl, we're working on this one, and we're going to do just like I did on the board. So we're going to turn off because we're working at our seats, and those are the answers. So go ahead and do that, and we'll be back and show you this better. Bye.